Whether you're personalizing gifts, patching your own gear, or diving into design, the right embroidery machine opens up a whole new kind of creative control. Welcome back to BPQ, where every breakdown is handpicked and guided by real comparison and research. In this video, we'll consider features, quality, and value to bring you our top 7 best embroidery machines available now, from beginner-friendly models to full-featured setups ready for serious work. Let's get started. Number 7. Singer Heavy-Duty 4411 High-Speed Sewing Machine. The 4411 isn't an embroidery machine, but it earns its place on this list because of how often it shows up in creative projects. With 1,100 stitches per minute, a durable all-metal frame, and solid control over tension and speed, it's one of the best entry points for people doing patchwork, thick fabrics, or decorative top stitching. It also handles lightweight material well thanks to an adjustable presser foot and smooth fabric flow. You won't get digitized designs or pattern imports here, but for users more focused on foundational sewing or prepping fabric for embroidery elsewhere, it's a workhorse that holds up. Why this matters? A fast, sturdy machine that never chokes is worth its weight, especially when you're experimenting, mending, or building pieces that will be embellished later. The pros are its high speed, great torque on thick fabrics, and overall reliability. The con is that it's limited to basic and decorative stitching, no embroidery functions in the true sense. Number 6. Uten Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Uten 2200 walks the line between a capable computerized sewing machine and a light embroidery tool. It includes 200 built-in stitches, lettering functions, and an LCD screen that lets you navigate designs with ease. While it's limited compared to dedicated embroidery machines, the inclusion of twin needle support, drop feed, and auto-size buttonholes gives it a flexible creative range, especially for custom labels, monograms, or decorative detail. You won't find hoop-based embroidery or design imports here, but for users looking to experiment with stitch-based embellishment, it's a solid step up from mechanical sewing models. Why this matters? For those not ready to commit to a full embroidery machine, this is an accessible middle ground. More control, more stitches, more creative potential. The pros are the wide stitch selection, useful computerized features, and a good balance between sewing and entry-level embellishment. The con is that it lacks true embroidery capability like digitized patterns or design import. Number 5. Brothers Skitch Single-Needle Embroidery Machine, entry-level, digitally connected. The Brothers Skitch is a true embroidery machine, but is designed to stay approachable. It's single-needle, compact, and entirely powered by Brothers Artspira app, where you can draw, design, or download embroidery patterns and send them to the machine via Bluetooth. No USB needed. It comes with a 4x4 magnetic hoop, a quick-set bobbin, and basic tools for digitized embroidery. Artspira Plus unlocks extra features like cross-stitching and portrait conversion, but even the free version lets you start customizing your own patches or personalizing projects from your phone. Why this matters? This is one of the easiest ways to get into digital embroidery without a learning curve. It's not for production-level work, but it is for creativity and experimentation. The pros are app-based design, compact size, and a smooth entry into real embroidery. The con is that you're dependent on the app. Without Artspira, functionality is limited. Number 4. Brother PE 535 Embroidery Machine, standalone, beginner-friendly. The Brother PE 535 is a popular choice for first-time embroiderers who want a simple, focused machine. It doesn't sew, but it does give you a reliable 4x4 embroidery field, 80 built-in designs, and USB import, which means you can bring in custom designs without relying on a mobile app. Its color LCD touchscreen allows for easy layout, drag and drop positioning, and preview before you stitch. The built-in lettering fonts, including Japanese and English, also make it great for personalizing towels, clothing, and gifts. Why this matters? Not everyone wants to connect their embroidery machine to an app. The PE 535 gives you direct control and freedom to bring in your own designs without locking you into a single software platform. The pros are USB design import, intuitive screen layout, and no app dependency. The con is its smaller 4x4 hoop size, which can feel limiting as your projects grow. Number 3. POOLIN EOC05 Embroidery Machine. Bigger canvas, beginner support. The POOLIN EOCO5 pushes beyond basic entry-level machines with a larger 4 by 9.25-inch hoop, a 7-inch color touchscreen, and beginner-focused onboarding, complete with an active Facebook group, YouTube tutorials, and one-on-one support. It's designed to feel like using a smartphone. Drag, edit, layer, and preview right on the screen. With 130 built-in designs, 8 fonts, and support for importing DST or DSB files, it gives users real freedom to create. It also uses stabilizer sheets, threads, and pre-wound bobbins, so you can get started without buying extra accessories. Why this matters? Getting started in embroidery is easier when the machine, the interface, and the support system are all designed to teach you while you go. The pros are the generous hoop size, full-color touchscreen, and beginner-friendly community support. The con is that while it's feature-rich, the brand isn't as well known, so long-term support or part availability may be a consideration. Number 2, Singer SE9180 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Singer SE9180 stands out by combining serious sewing capability with full embroidery functionality in one sleek package. It includes 250 sewing stitches, 150 embroidery designs, 10 fonts, and a 7-inch color touchscreen that makes design editing clear and intuitive. Where it really separates itself is connectivity. BuySewNet Wi-Fi lets you send designs to the machine wirelessly and even get embroidery progress notifications on your phone. From layered quilting to precise monograms, it's designed for users who want to move between large, decorative sewing and real embroidery without compromise. Why this matters? When one machine can handle both sides of your creative process, sewing and embroidery, it saves space, streamlines your workflow, and makes leveling up feel seamless. The pros are a full suite of sewing and embroidery features, large intuitive screen, and strong wireless design control. The con is that with so much packed in, there's a bit of a learning curve, especially for pure beginners. Before we take a look at number 1, be sure to check out the description and tag items section below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Brother Inno-vis NQ1700E Embroidery Machine. Top tier, wireless, ready for anything. The Brother MQ1700E is a dedicated embroidery machine with the features and flexibility to handle professional-level projects. It includes 258 built-in designs, 140 frame combinations, 11 fonts, and is iBroidery compatible, giving you access to thousands more, including officially licensed Marvel, Star Wars, and Disney patterns. Its 6-inch by 10-inch embroidery field gives you room for large designs, while the wireless transfer system lets you skip the USB stick entirely and send files straight from your PC. The 4.85-inch color LCD touchscreen offers drag-and-drop editing, resizing, and layering with zero guesswork. Why this matters? When you're ready to commit to embroidery as a creative path or side business, the NQ1700E has the space, polish, and ease of use to make it feel like you've arrived. The pros are its large work area, wireless file transfer, and deep design library. The con are that it's embroidery only, no sewing features included, so you'll need a second machine if you want both. Still need help deciding on the best embroidery machine for your needs? Visit the video description and tag items section for more info and the updated deals on our top picks. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing and feel free to leave a comment to let us know your opinion.